Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to easily import your files from Google Drive into the OneDrive app on your Android phone. This is a simple process that helps you manage and transfer your cloud files without hassle. Let's get started. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Tap the profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Select Settings from the menu. Tap on Import Cloud Photos and Files. Now, ensure your Google Drive account is connected to OneDrive. If not connected, check the video description for a guide on how to link Google Drive to OneDrive. Once connected, tap the three dots next to Google Drive. Afterwards, select Import New or Upload Files. Finally, click Import Now to begin the transfer. When the import finishes, go back to My Files in OneDrive, and you will find your imported files ready to use. Thank you for watching. This method is a great way to keep your cloud storage organized by transferring files between Google Drive and OneDrive on your Android phone quickly and easily. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.